Yeah. Hi everyone, good morning and good evening if you are in different time zone. Thanks for joining today's Marketing Cloud online training from SFTechsoft. Our trainer is Harshit. He will take over for today's demo. Okay, from this training, what you benefit you will get from, okay, we will provide 3 months org access for your doing practice. Even actually, we will be helping you to prepare your interview as well as we will be help you to prepare resume. Okay, as well as we do provide certification guidance. Yeah. Harshit, now you can start today's session. Harshit, are you there?
Guys. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Hi guys, thanks for joining today's Marketing Cloud session. I'll be your instructor. So guys, today we'll talk about why Salesforce has come up with this product, Salesforce Marketing Cloud, why there was need of this product, what all things we have into this product. We'll see just overview, and we'll try to understand how this product will benefit in your career, and we'll have some discussions on the topics which we are gonna study in this on this platform, along with your questions and answers. Just high level discussion we'll have in this demo. We'll have everything detailed when we will start the live batch. So guys, let's start. So as you all know that this Salesforce Marketing Cloud platform has a term marketing in it. So why it is having this term marketing in it? What type of marketing we can do with this product, that we will try to understand. So guys, marketing, you all know, I'll not deep dive into that concept. It's a huge topic. But marketing high level overview, you all know that it's a action of promoting your products and services. Whatever you do to increase your reachability for your to your customers, you reach in more and more customers, you educate them about your products and services. More and more you reach your customers, more and more you make them aware of your products and services, and they would be interested in buying your products and services, and it would in terms generate more and more revenue for you. So it is the action or business of promoting, selling products and services. The more you market your product and services, more people would be attracted, more people will buy that. A simple concept. So guys, marketing is very much important for every company's growth strategy. A company cannot imagine without a strong its growth without a strong marketing efforts, activities happening from their end. Company use marketing to increase sales of their products and services. This we all know. So guys, marketing used to happen in past, it is used to happen in today, and it would be happening in future as well. It is an ever green concept which is required, which was required, and which will be required. But guys, if you see 20 years back, when we were not in this era, there was no world wide web. There has to happen a marketing. Now also it is happening, and in future also it would happen. What type of marketing, or how we were able to do marketing in the previous era? If you try to brainstorm, go back your good old days, you will come to know that in previous era, if somebody had to market something, if some shop is present in your locality and it has to market its products and services, what he could have done, he could have went and distributed the pamphlets. He could have printed the pamphlets and distributed the pamphlets to the audience. If he had more budget, he could have went and purchased a poster or a space in the crowded street and installed his poster. so that it can get more and more attraction of the people visiting that crowded place. If he had more budget, he could have gone and advertised on the newspaper. If he had more budget, he could have gone and advertised into radios. If he could have even more budget, he could have gone and advertised to the national television. These were the only tactics which were followed by people 20 years back to advertise its products and services. They can be creative with their message, but the channel of marketing were these only. There was no World Wide Web, no YouTube where they can go and run digital ads to market their product. But guys, though that type of marketing was successful, that time it had one drawback. It was only one way effort. Brands only thought and did marketing. If a shop wanted to promote something, he had to go spend money, print pamphlets, purchase a space in the locality, and went and publicized that. There was no collective effort happening from the customer end. That means customer did not have any leverage to come and discuss about the product. Now, if you see, people can go and comment on the product, put negative or positive reviews, share the product, like, dislike the product. A lot of communications can happen nowadays on a particular product. Not only brand, but customers are actively involved to market the products and services of a particular brand. They could share. There's a referral type of thing which are happening today. A lot of things are happening which involves two-way interaction of the customer. They could like, dislike, at mention on the Twitter, Facebook, Insta. They could share nice reviews. A lot of things people can do now, but there at that time, due to lack of channels, there was only one way of effort from the customers, and it was not a two-way effort. So guys, as one of the concept of marketing also says that you have to continuously get feedback from the customer to enhance your products and services. This part was lacking in previous era of marketing, where brands were only taking leverage to market their products and services, and there was no active involvement from customers. But the time grew, the era of World Wide Web came. The shops which were present locally are present digitally now. The digital shops are having different ways to attract customers now. You would have understood the concept of digital marketing. Shops which are present digitally now, whether it is having a less budget, it can be present in the form of Facebook or Insta pages, free marketing. If they have more budget, then they could have went and created a website. If they had even more budget, then they could have went and developed their their mobile application. If they have more budget, then they would be owning a lot of other places from where they can go and sell their products and services. They could have listed on Amazon, on Flipkart, and on other e-commerce websites. They have their entire supply chain set up online. Everything they could have afforded. But guys, as they are digital, they have to do digital marketing to increase the footfall of the customers. Earlier, people used to display pamphlets and all so that more and more people come and visit them. But now, as everything is digital, they have to do digital marketing to increase the footfall, whether they are present in the form of application or present on Amazon, present on any e-commerce website, uh, present in a form of Facebook or Insta marketplace, or present in a form of website. They also have to get the footfall of the customer so that more and more people come and visit them, see about products and services, inquire about products and services. So guys, they have to follow the way with digital. They have to follow the way with digital marketing. Digital marketing helps to increase the footfall of the customer by following certain tactics. What are the tactics? They would allow to run certain digital ads. They would allow to run ads on YouTube, Facebook, Insta, which would attract more and more customers on their brand, wherever the brand is. If it is WhatsApp, if it is a mobile application or a website, they will be doing digital marketing to promote their products and services. They would be doing digital marketing to promote their products and services via advertisement and increase the footfall of the customer. So suppose there's a nice brand who really spent a lot of money running huge ads on Facebook, Instagram. It spent a lot of money to suppose it sponsored FIFA World Cup or a cricket World Cup. A cricket is going on, a key match is going on. They paid millions of dollars to run the digital ad on the Hotstar whenever there is a live cricket match. Now they spend millions of money to get new customers, to get new footfall on their application by running ads. Suppose you really liked that ad and you clicked on that ad and you landed to their website. But the moment you landed to their website, you will scroll for 2-3 minutes, maximum 5 minutes, and you would leave that website. So guys, this is the common behavior which everybody would show. Hardly people would get a product from their website. Many people would come, land there on their website, and will scroll towards the website application and would go away within 2-3 minutes. This behavior is very common to audience and very common to companies who do digital advertisement. But guys, is this a healthy behavior? If you see, you have sponsored giving millions of rupees or dollars to sponsor a cricket World Cup, sponsored your advertisement on Hotstar or wherever the live streaming is happening on Sony, on any other channel, wherever the live streaming is happening. You spend millions of dollars to get new customers. Customer came, scrolled for 2-3 minutes, and then left away. So, guys, digital marketing, though it helps you to get more and more customers, it helps you to increase the footfall of the customers on your website. It allows you to run digital ads. Digital ads, you can run aggressive ads to get more and more customers, but it is costing you a lot of money. Somebody clicks, you will end up pay per click. Millions of people will click your ad, you would end up paying millions of rupees pay per click. Okay, running digital ad is not cheap enough. You can go and understand what is the you can go and understand what is the cost of pay per click. As you have acquired that much cost, people come visit for 2-3 minutes and leave the website. So guys, as they have left the website, um, that is not a healthy thing for you. You have spent millions of money to acquire a new customer. When that new customer came on your website, spent for 2-3 minutes and went away, that is not a healthy sign for your company. Why? Because digital marketing only helps you to acquire new customers. But when a new customer came, you have to work towards its retention. You have to think how to retain that customer, because you spend millions of dollars to acquire that customer via advertisement. Every day 24/7 you cannot go and run ads. You are not Adidas, Lakme, or L'Oreal, or big brand who can afford running 24/7 ads. You are a small company, suppose. You do not have that budget. Running small ads even costs a huge chunk on your pocket. You really have to find a way to retain the customer, the new customer you have acquired. You can afford running ads for some time, and when you run ads, you get new customers. As you get new customers, even though they leave your website, your application, you have to think to retain them again. As you have to think them to retain them again, what are the things you can do, guys, to retain them? Because new customers are acquired by digital advertisement. After they are acquired by digital advertisement, it does not guarantee they are gonna retained, they're gonna stay on your website for long. They're gonna have a healthy relationship with you in future. So guys, you have to think how to retain your customers, how to make them sustained in your own ecosystem. Make them sustained in your ecosystem means if they bought one product, the second product they would come and buy from you only. You should have the capacity to promote the recommended products based on the customer's behavior profile, desire, need. You have to maintain healthy relationship with them. So customer retention, customer sustainability in your ecosystem, and customer relationship are the three important points which you have to see, or which you have to adhere, or which you have to follow in order to make that customer valuable for your company. You spend millions of dollars to acquire a new customer, and when it came, it is leaving you in 2 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and never coming back is not a healthy sign for you. You should work towards customer retention, sustainability, and customer relationship, which digital marketing does not provide. It can only help you to run ads, do some practices, rank your website application, do SEO and all, to get footfall of of the customers. But when the footfall came, it's your effort who will make them retain again and again, sustain in your ecosystem, and who would establish healthy relationship with you. Digital ads would only help you to acquire new customer. So guys, as we understood that how digital marketing is not helpful for long run, because it is asking us to spend a lot of money and the return of investment is less. Acquiring a customer is huge, comes with huge money. We understood what are the three main pillars we have to work on to retain a customer, sustain a customer, and maintain healthy relationship with them. That you can only do if you know the read the if you read the data about the customer. Every customer which comes on your platform would generate a lot of data. Like you went to Amazon, you searched for a product, you searched for a jeans, you searched for a top, you searched for watch, you searched for perfumes, you searched for suits, you searched for different gadgets. You literally wrote those names inside the search bar, clicked on search button. You went through, you chose the color, you compared the products, you scrolled throughout different products, you shortlisted few products, you wish listed few products, you put some products into the cart. All these are the behaviors which you are showing on Amazon, and you are generating a lot of data. How Amazon would think you to retain again and again? Suppose you did this and you went, you didn't purchase anything. You put something into the cart in the Amazon, you didn't purchase anything, you went. But guys, Amazon is happy about that. That at least it is able to read your behavior, need, desire. It understood, okay, you were searching for Levi's black jeans, Levi's blue t-shirt. You have put them into the cart. Okay, it is happy because at least it has something to know about you. It has literally deep dive to read the desire, need of you. It has read the data about you. What it would do next? If it does not find in 20 minutes you haven't make a purchase, it will club all the products into the email and would immediately trigger you that this product you kept into the cart. The next day, if you don't do, it would send you a push notification. The product is still pending in your cart. If you still don't buy, it will send you some product recommendation emails. Okay, I understand you didn't you put that product into the cart. Maybe there is a reason you didn't want to continue. Here are more product recommendations based on the keyword activity you had, based on your interests. It will send you 10 15 more product recommended via email. All these are the marketing activities which Amazon is trying to do based on the data available or data generated by you on their platform. So guys, reading the data about a customer would help you to understand, would help us to understand what he really wants. And if we are able to turn that data into an insight, we would come to know the needs, desires, and behaviors of a customer. That insight, if we are able to customize into a marketing activity, we would need the same thing to retain, to sustain, and to maintain healthy relationship with our customer. So guys, now a new type of marketing has come up that is called as data driven marketing into marketing cloud, where brands are more leveraging towards the data generated by the customer rather running the digital ads. Digital ads would only help you get more customers, but as you got a customer, you have to really go beyond and think how to retain, sustain, and maintain relationship. The next time, if you want to buy, you would only consider that platform, like you do in case of Amazon. Whenever you have thought to buy something online, the first place comes to you is Amazon. They have really worked towards customer retainability, sustainability, and relationship. You also have observed you should be having a favorite e-commerce brand where you always go and prefer to shop. They have mastered the way to retain a customer again and again. And how they did? By understanding the data of the customer. Whenever you go their application, you will find the recommended products first. You will find the product which you would be interested into, not a generic product. If you are male, you will never see a female product coming as a product recommendation, um, or ranking the product in the top of the search result of your Amazon application. Never. Amazon knows who you are. They have built your profile. They understand your data. They understand your day-to-day activity. They have not generalized the application or the communication for you. They have personalized it. Based on your personalization attributes, based on your data, they have personalized the entire application for you. The same application may not look the same for me. The communication you are getting from Amazon may not be the same which I am getting. I am getting the personalized communications. That means um, my own desires and needs are taken care by Amazon. My own behavior is considered. Your behavior is considered in your application. Third person's behavior is considered in his communication. So guys, this all happened with the help of data driven marketing, where we use customer data to predict their need, desires, and future behaviors. Data driven marketing helps you to create personalized marketing strategies for highest possible return on investment. So guys, all these things are possible with data driven marketing, and this is the need of today's marketing. Data driven marketing is something, data driven marketing is something which is must to have in today's era, so that which is must to have in today's era, so that you understand what your customer wants. After you do data driven marketing, guys, suppose Amazon, you went to Amazon, you put some product into the cart. After you put some product into the cart, they were after you put some product into the cart, they were able to send you a product recommendation email. Similarly, millions of people come and put the same product into the cart at the same time, and those millions of people will also get the product recommendation emails the same time. So guys, the communication is getting triggered automatically based on the behavior of a customer. That concept is called as marketing automation. That means Amazon is able to read the data of millions of customers simultaneously. It has made such an intelligent platform that it is able to read the data of the customer simultaneously. Millions of customers' data is being read, and millions of communications are getting triggered automatically. This comes or this defines the concept of marketing automation, where you have to automate the processes. You know that people would come and do abundant cart on your website, put would put products in your wish list, would drop from the purchase. All these things are the known behaviors. Based on these known behaviors, you can send automated communications. Whenever somebody has done abundant cart, have left some product and did not purchase, pull that product in an email and send to the customer. put that product and send a push notification. All these are the common behaviors which Amazon has automated. The communication from Amazon is automated. You will receive your product recommendation, I would receive my product recommendation, but who is literally sending all these communications? Nobody. The system is designed on the principles of data driven marketing automation, and system is sending those communications. So guys, this is called as marketing automation, and Salesforce Marketing Cloud is purely built to work on B2C marketing automation. Salesforce Marketing Cloud is a B2C marketing automation platform which deliver personalized customer engagement on every channel from email to web, mobile, social, digital, everywhere. It enables to know your customer personalized with intelligence and engage across the entire journey. So guys, this is how the customer would work. This is how the B2C marketing automation would happen. Now, guys, as you know, why Salesforce Marketing Cloud is important. It helps us to facilitate data-driven marketing automation. You can do a lot of things on Salesforce Marketing Cloud, like and you can have two-way engagement with the customers. Not only you will send, your customers can go come and interact with you as well. We will see how to do that in our detailed tutorial. You can you can leverage artificial intelligence. It has Einstein capabilities. The product recommendation emails is something which is AI, which is built on this platform, which is helping you to pull the recommended products for you. It also has AI, which leverage the data and artificial intelligence to make every interaction relevant. You can work towards customer sustainability, customer loyalty, customer retention, and um, um, customer retention and customer relationship. A lot of things you can do. So guys, how to access Salesforce Marketing Cloud? mc.exacttarget.com is the URL which will help you to access the marketing cloud. mc.exacttarget.com is the URL. You will get this credential for 3 months, guys. You will get the practice account. This comes with huge money, but we are giving it complimentary for whosoever joins. So after you log into Marketing Cloud, guys, this kind of UI you would get, where you will see studios like email, mobile, social, and builders, analytics, journey, content, audience, and Einstein and other features available. We are gonna see one by one everything here in detail. We'll see how we are gonna perform data-driven marketing automation and achieve our customer sustainability, retention, um, and relationship goals with the for our customers on this platform. So, studios are the channel which will help us to reach our customers. Builders are the platforms which will help us define the strategy for data-driven marketing. The strategy would be executed on particular channels, which we will see how to do that in detail. So guys, it's a 1.5 month long course, around 6 week course, where I will help you to understand details, every complexities with practical scenarios on Salesforce Marketing Cloud. I have vast experience teaching, training people now. More than 250 people have took training from me. I have been providing a lot of consulting to different companies. Now I have a rich experience on this platform. I started my career with this platform only, and I try to master it day by day. So guys, you would definitely be benefited the way I teach the course content, the custom course which we have developed. It is not generic, which everybody would come and say I can teach. It's custom developed, keeping in mind that you have to go and tell something in your resume, tell some projects in your interview, all those things which we will be able to do here. I'll help you to prepare your resume. I'll give you short 100 interview questions. 99% of questions from your interview would come from that 100 questions itself. I'll help you to prepare for your interviews, your certifications, everything. I would definitely help you You can join one batch. If you think you are not able to get things, or some things are not clear, you can join my other batch. I run 2 batches parallelly in a day. You can join third batch if you are not confident in second batch as well. As you come in my own ecosystem, we would be having a healthy relationship. You would be retained again and again by us, like joining different batches till the time you do not get a nice job. So guys, here I will take a hard pause and I would like to check if you have any questions on what we have seen today. Anything related to your career you wanted to check, anything, let me know, guys.
Hi, Arshit. Is there any coding in this? Do we need to code
Bit of
anything?
coding is there, 20%. AM script is there.
What script?
AM script.
AM script. It is like Java or Python. Can you show me any sample code? How does it look? So it is like exactly for developing the front end, or why we use that AM script?
Why AM script is scripting language you will come to understand to interact with components of Salesforce Marketing Cloud, but that is
Oh,
not a compulsion. You can learn the Salesforce Marketing Cloud without AM script, but if you want to go to developer path, you would be required to learn AM script. I'll show you. Small segment of AM script is there. If you want to excel as a developer always would be working on codes. But if you want to become a consultant specialist, no need to learn the AM script.
okay.
This is how it would look like. Don't
will
worry, I'll teach it. You just have to understand whatever I'm teaching. You don't have to worry on this.
So for the email templates and all, will you teach us any example? How to create a template or something?
This is the example I yesterday taught, guys. I'll all these things. The
Today is
course.
my first class. This is my first class. I just joined.
This is demo. I yesterday I taught in the previous.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'll teach. Don't worry.
Okay.
Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
So, what's the difference between Pardot and Salesforce Marketing Cloud?
See, conceptually both are same, but Pardot is for B2C, Salesforce Marketing Cloud is B2C. B2B is having less scope, B2C is having greater scope. Like you would be interacting with millions of customers or billions, you can say, with Salesforce Marketing Cloud, but only thousands of companies in B2B. So both platform, the concepts are same, data-driven marketing automation concepts, but are technically defined.
Will I able to master this Pardot by this course? Are you teaching Pardot also?
Means no, Pardot is not Salesforce. It has a different course. Only Salesforce
Okay,
Marketing Cloud.
okay.
Hi, Harshit.
Yeah.
Harshit, with this course, how much experience we can keep? So for trying for the marketing cloud jobs normally.
Uh, Say that again, please. With this course, how much experience? What
I
did
mean,
you say?
I mean, with after completing this course with you, I mean, how much experience that we can claim and keep for an interview? Like, if
What
the
is your
candidate is working.
What is your experience? Can you let me know?
I'm working in SaaS application with the campaign management operations analyst role. So the same like how we design campaigns, but we do it in SaaS, and we send the file to SFMC out. Inbound folder. So from there the SFMC process takes place. But I don't know the SFMC process. Yeah.
Yeah, you can
So I have
you can tell minimum 2 years of experience. If you have certain experience, then 2 years would be fine. If you have SaaS, then you can change marketing cloud. Campaign manager can be
yeah.
relatable with marketing cloud, so it's easy for you to switch.
Yeah. So normally in the market, if we say like we have 3 years of experience with this SFMC and comparatively with SaaS, so roughly approximately what could be the package perks? Approximately.
For 3 years, it should be more than 8 lakhs. Any more questions, guys?
Harshit, so you're only teaching email specialist or SMS message center also?
Studios also would also be instructed, guys. Email
So
and
what
mobile.
email and mobile studio, both you're going to teach, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Will you give any recorded sessions?
Yeah,
Filming sessions?
definitely. Every day you would get, guys. Don't worry about that.
So will you also guide us to do any project?
Project we would be doing. This is how a project looks, guys. I would be practically showing you. It is not application development platform that you would end up developing a website or a mobile app. It's a SaaS platform where you would have to do daily activities. What all daily activities you would be doing, that I would be thoroughly teaching you.
Okay.
This is a project building an invoice. A lot of concepts are involved. Still, it is into development phase. So all these kind of things you can tell in your project. You have to work daily on this platform, guys. Different requirements are there.
Yeah, shit. So is there any like support on the certifications?
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't get.
So certification, getting the SFMC certification.
Yeah, I said you want support. Yeah, definitely, I would provide that support, guys.
So Harshit, will you do proxy interviews as well? Any of the team?
Yeah, I can give. I can do.
Okay.
Don't worry, guys. Interview I would be able to clear in first attempt only. I have experienced more than 50 interviews now. I myself take interviews now. So don't worry about that.
Okay.
Any more
Will you
questions?
provide any certification dumps?
What you will do with our certification, we can provide, guys, but that would have no value. You have to go and clear the global certification. Salesforce certified marketing cloud consultant specialist admin. We would definitely provide. But I'm being honest to you, that will not have any value until and unless you go and clear the Salesforce credentials. Every company would ask for that credential.
What was that, Harshit? Could you please explain in detail?
No, I'm saying that he's asking, would you be providing any certification? I'm telling definitely we would provide a course completion certification, but you should think of clearing the global certification by Salesforce, the official certification. That would have added advantage to you
No, no,
rather
I'm not.
than
He
I'm
was
not
asking about the terms to clear the certification exam.
certification. Yes.
dumps. Yeah, I would definitely provide that. Yeah, latest dumps.
Yeah, that latest dumps only I'm asking.
Yeah, yeah. So guys, don't worry. Every month, I train up to 30 people. It's a strong experience. You would definitely be benefited. Do not think that you're at a wrong place or there is some iota of doubt there. Definitely, lot of people come. If you see the reviews and views on the YouTube video, the amount the people I'm training every month is around 30 people. So don't worry about the quality, about what I'm going to offer. Everything would be offered. Just you need your effort to catch up with me and get across the line, clear your interviews. So don't worry at all. Everything would be provided. Any more questions, guys?
So with 1.5 months of session, can we master this tool?
1.5 session, you would understand what is required, right? All the subject I would be teaching. If you work really 8 hours a day, then definitely you would be able to master. But if you
Okay.
just, yeah, it's up to you how proficiently you practice, how prolonged practice you would be doing that there. But guys, you would come to understand what is this. You will come to know with small effort. Like if you spend around 2 or 3 hours every day, definitely you would be near to mastering this platform. After all, guys, this is a domain. You have to make career of 15-20 years on this platform, right? You don't have to go anywhere. 15-20 years of career can't be mastered in 150 days, right? But you would understand the basics and everything. Still, you will require to work on live projects, spend 3-4 years to really master this platform. But you would be able to get start your working on this. That is more important because you have to clear interviews. Get basic knowledge, get everything from me, start working on interviews, get the job, and start working on practical live projects. Live projects would help you to master everything. The course would help you to understand what is the conceptual knowledge behind this platform, what all things are required, what all things you need to practice to clear interviews, all these things. Maybe you can clear certifications as well. But getting the domain expertise, platform expertise would come with the experience, guys.
Harshit, this content is related to admin only or development also included in this content?
Development AMScript I would be teaching, but not 100%, guys. Development is a vast topic. But basics of development I would be teaching, but consultant, admin, and email specialist, all three would be covered.
But in resume, development is having more effective, right?
It is, see, every company wants you to have a developer skill, but it's not a compulsion. But if you are able to get the developer skill, then it's good. But whatever you would require to clear a developer interview, that I would be telling you. You have to be honest, guys. You have to be not honest. You have to be smart, right? Developer you can't become in 1 or 2 days. It will take 2-3 years of experience to become a nice developer on this platform. But you need to clear interviews, that you have to think how to do that.
But what are the opportunities for admin rather than developer?
See, everybody would have similar kind of opportunity, but the roles are different. Marketing cloud is same, will bring same opportunity for admin and same for developer. If some company has, then he would hire both. He can't hire a developer and ask him to do admin work. He won't be doing that because he has. If a company has platform, he would have equal opportunity for developer, admin, specialist, and consultant. So equal opportunity are there. But with bigger experience, they would expect you to have development skill. 1 to maximum 3 years, they can think of having admin skills. But more than 3 years, you should go with developer skills.
So more than 3 years means in the SFMC or overall experience you are talking about?
SFMC.
Okay.
Mm.
So here also it is having like Lightning and Classic, or only we will be learning on
No.
Lightning?
Lightning only. It's a different platform. It's not Lightning Classic. Though it looks like Lightning, but it's not Lightning. It's Marketing Cloud. And the URL is different. Any more questions, guys?
Harshit, to start
Yeah.
searching a job, is certification is mandatory for like like uh, to show the expertise in interviewers to get more calls? Is it like is it a mandatory thing to have a certification? I mean,
Certification, yeah, I would say, to be honest, because you won't be only interviewed, people around the India would be interviewed, or wherever you are. Suppose you are US, Canada, UK, wherever you are. So only not only you would be interviewed, different peoples all together would be interviewed. One having certification would be given more priority because they can really understand, okay, he may have worked on this. Because every company which you work for would push you for certification, whether it is small
okay,
or big. They would ask you to get certified anyhow in within 1 2 months, 3 months of working. This is
okay,
mandatory. Yeah.
okay. And this certification have some validation rules, right? Like for every 6 months or a year, we should need to again and again start giving
Maintenance
an.
exam you have to give. Free maintenance exam is there every year. It is.
Okay, it's free. Okay, gotcha. So for the first time, we have to pay some bucks, and once it is done, it's like a renewal kind of a stuff. Okay, gotcha.
Okay.
So Harshit, like it's I'm telling about my case. So I have around like 4+ years of experience with the SaaS and all this, like for especially with the campaign management and operations analyst role.
Oh.
So it is around 3 years. Currently I'm in a slab of like 12 plus, like 12 to 14 in between LPA.
Hmm.
But I just want to get into this SFMC. So that is the reason I was asking, like, what could be the package and all perks, like.
The Indian package would be totally dependent on your ability. The minimum you can expect with 3 years is 8. It's good you have 12 to 14 LPA, but maximum you can get is 4 into number of experience. Like if you have 5 years, you can expect 20. Definitely, you would want to go beyond 18 now, so you can get. But 18 lakh if somebody is offering you, suppose, then he would ask you a lot of things, right?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
That the capability you have to develop a package you would be getting.
Okay.
Any more questions, guys?
Mm, No, Harshit, I'm good. Thank you so much.
Hello,
Okay,
sir. When
guys.
is the batch starting? What about the batch starting and so timing
Guys,
and batch
today we have
starting?
a demo. Like when people will enroll, then we can start probably by Thursday. We'll give 2 days to enroll. Yeah.
Okay. What will be the time?
Uh, Time, they're the same time, 7 to 8.
Morning.
Yeah. Any more questions, guys? Okay, then guys, we'll see into the live session. If you have any more questions, you can reach me on LinkedIn. You can reach to SVTechsoft on their WhatsApp number. If you want me to connect personally with you, then I am happy to do that. So let us know so that we can start our journey on Marketing Cloud. Thanks, guys. Thanks for joining
Thanks,
today.
Harshit.
Thanks. Bye.